If you're a beginner pyrographer, you might find at some stage that the lines you're making are not quite as crisp, that they become a little bit more rough and it's harder to use your pyrography tips. What this can often mean is that your tips have become dirty from a buildup of carbon. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually clean your tips when this happens. So right now I'm cutting up an old pair of denim shorts. I'm just going to cut off a tiny little piece that is going to help me to clean my pyrography tips. Now you can actually tell that your pyrography tips have become too dirty by looking at the top of them, and if they're a kind of brown rusted colour, that's the buildup of carbon, and that's what's going to make it actually quite hard to use. It's a little bit hard to show you on the video here, but you can see that they're dark at the tip instead of light. And here is some aluminium oxide. This powder can be found at your local hardware store, or I got mine off the internet quite cheaply. And this is going to help clean your tips. All you need to do is tip just a little bit onto your denim. The denim is rough and so is the powder, so you get quite a gritty combination here, and that allows you to really rub the carbon off that tip. And you can see the ways I'm doing it here, just giving it a really good clean with the aluminium oxide and a bit of denim. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So now I've got all my equipment out, I'm going to give all of my tips a little bit of a clean here. So it's just the same technique over and over again. And the way you'll know that it's clean is when you have a look at the tip, and instead of being dark like before, it's a nice bright silver colour. And that's about it. I hope you found this useful. Hit the like and subscribe button, and happy art making, people.